Honorable Speaker.
Cikaro-ini cia mbunge ya bururi muthenya wa ira, ambunge ni marangatheirie mihango o yothe magitindikiriria Speaker wa mbunge Moses Wetangula gwatha minista wa kigina John Mbadi ekinye cikaro-ini ici na ataririe gitumi gia kwaga gutia kiraniro gia kurekereria kigina kia NGCDF
of 7 billion.
Mbere ya ambunge, Mbadi ni ataririe hari ciringi bilioni 57 iria ciari cirekererio mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2023-2024 no ciringi bilioni 44 ciarihirwo kumbanirira kwa mbeca ici gukiongerera murigo kuri thirikari.
Can he be able to sort out this bursary issue first before we even go for any development?
For planning purposes, we need to get clear dates and we need your commitment.
When you went to the treasury as an expert with Mbadinomics, we expected you, by the time you are giving commitment to this house, you are sure about the things you're saying.
Only 44.4 billion was disbursed. That left us with a gap, a carryover of 13.531 billion. That was then added to the appropriation for 2024-2025.
Mbadi no ataririe uritu uria ukoragwo ho mieri-ini ya mbere ya mwaka kwa muhiano kurekereria mbeca cia mahuthiro kuri mathukuru, urihi wa ngombo na oho marihi ma mishara maya mothe akiuga ni macangire hanene gucerithirio gwa kigina kia NGCDF.
These are the months. First, you must pay capitation to schools in the first term, and out of the total allocation which you gave for capitation to primary schools, JSS and high school of 96 billion, 48 billion must be released in first term. Same month of January, Mr. Speaker, this is the time that you pay most of the loans. If you add the total amount that we paid for loans in January alone is 75 billion. You pay 75 billion and you pay salary of 80.
Rumirira mirurugano ya Gen Z, utonga wa bururi ni wonekanire kuharuruka na njira nene. Mbadi akiuga ona honge cia kimabũrũri cia uheani wa ngombo gukorwo itarekereirie mbeca kuri thirikari no nduhutetie wagi wa mbeca bururi-ini.
This economy was shut for almost 2 months. That affected revenue collection. But worse still is that external finances, we have not been able to receive external finances until now. Fortunately now the doors are opening for external resources.
Ambunge ni mekwirumite kini matigwitikira kigina gia thi wa ciringi bilioni 21 no Mbadi eranira ciringi bilioni 7 ni irikitie kurekererio na gugikinya muthia-ini wa mweri uyu ministry ya kigina ni karekereria ingi ciringi bilioni 7.
What we are expecting from you today is 21 billion. The bare minimum and take home as we speak is 21 billion.
By saying that I don't want to commit with money that has not come. The moment I get that money, Honorable Wamboka, there is, through the Speaker, there is no reason why I cannot even do much more. There is already 7 billion. The other 7 billion, I will make sure that we try as much as we can to release it by 29.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washage.